Thanks for watching. I'm Ruben, and in this demo you will learn and see how Frame is easy to use and designed from the ground up as a modern desktop as a service solution. I will demo how to configure and deploy 5 different Frame accounts, able to support thousands of users in each Frame account in 4 different regions across the globe. These Frame accounts will use 4 different infrastructure solutions to run virtual apps and desktops. In my demo, I will use on-premises powered by Nutanix AHV and also public cloud resources using Azure, AWS, and GCP. The public cloud infrastructure as a service subscriptions and the connection to my Nutanix cluster running AHV is already configured and connected with my Frame subscription. So we are ready to go. Let's start the clock and click roll. Here we go. This interface is the super admin interface. And this is where I start adding a Frame account. I select the right organization. I give it a friendly name. I'll want to use AHV as the first platform. I select the cloud provider, in this case AHV, and then select the region. In this case it's called SproutX, which is based in Europe. I want to use Windows 10 as the base image family. And I want to use my master machine. I want to configure my master machine to use, in this case, NVIDIA vGPU powered machine. In this case, a 2Q profile. I want to add extra storage capacity to that base image, and I hit next, and I hit create. That's the first Frame account. Let's add a second Frame account. Same organization. Frame is multi-tenancy by design. That's why you can select multiple organizations as an example. I want to use AHV as well. In this case, I want to use persistent desktops. Same configuration here. Different instance type. This machine only has CPUs, multiple CPUs, no GPU. I want to use a little bit extra storage here for this developer type use case. And hit next and hit create. So second Frame account created. Let's create a third Frame account. Let's use AWS. In this case, I want to use the Australia Sydney region. I switch my cloud provider to AWS. In my setup, I have multiple AWS subscriptions connected. That's why you see 3. I want to use this one for now. And go to the Sydney one and hit next. I want to use this image family. I want to use a GPU powered machine. Add a little bit more storage here and hit next. Hit create. So third Frame account created. Do that again. Give it a friendly name. I want to use GCP. In this case in APJ. Google, let's see, let's use Hong Kong. Give it an AR16, with extra storage. Hit create. And finally, the fifth Frame account will be in friendly name Azure in US. I'm going to use the Azure subscription I already configured. I want to use South Central US as the cloud region and hit next. I want to use Windows 10 as the base image for that account, and I want to use a Pro 65 as the base image type. Of course, you can change that afterwards as well. And this machine has an NVIDIA GPU as well. I have the right licenses and hit next and hit create. So in roughly 3 minutes, 3:20 to be precise, we have deployed and are deploying, these two are still deploying, 5 Frame accounts in 4 different regions using 4 different infrastructure providers. Awesome, great.